I see two different flux from the more poor product, laminate, PVC, SPC, to our product. And I would say this is the most, also for us, the most important, the most segment to work in. There are two different opportunities for us. We are in the middle. We need to disrupt as much as possible the place where we are, in the middle between something poor, I would say, and something seen as expensive. So we are there for the customer that would like to buy wood, real wood, because appreciate the natural product, appreciate the finishing and everything, but they can't afford for economical reasons. Maybe we have the right product for them.